One of the things many people struggle with is actually building a consistent practice. And before getting into the tips or my suggestions, I want to just offer why this matters. Meditation, whether we're cultivating mindfulness or compassion, it builds upon itself. We don't get all the benefits from one period of practice. It's a continual kind of cultivation. And research has shown this. I talk about it a lot, and I'll link to it below this video, that consistency is perhaps more important than total time meditated, even when it comes to the positive effects of meditation and in building the habit. So, my first suggestion is kind of abstract, perhaps. The rest are a little bit more pragmatic, is to connect with your intention or the reason you're meditating. Often, when I'm meeting with students and they're struggling to meditate every day, I encourage them to connect with why they're doing it. Why are you meditating? Why are you interested in this path or practice? When we connect with our intentions, not create an intention, connect with the intention that's already there, it gives us some motivation to practice, to remember why we're doing this. Create the time and space. I know it can be hard. I have a busy schedule. I see students. I have another job. I have 2 kids. And I have hobbies and friends and responsibilities. I know it can be hard, but create the time and space. Schedule it out. For sure, we should be flexible. And if we can't meditate at our normal time one day, we meditate when we can. But try to meditate at the same time every day, in the same place. Create some routine with it. This will make it form a habit more easily, and it'll also activate our context dependent memory, where we go to that place or we arrive at that time and the mind and body know it's meditation time. Start small. Don't try to sit for 30 minutes if you've never meditated. I mean, you can try that. But for many people, it's just uncomfortable. It can be frustrating or distressing. Start small, start manageable. What can you commit to? If you were to meditate every day this week, what can you actually commit to doing? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Those are perfect times for beginner meditators to start meditating. You don't need to do 20, 30, 45 minutes. You want to set a time that's accessible to you, that feels doable. Check in with your goals and expectations. We talked about like our intentions and connecting with those. But also check in with your expectations. Are they serving you? Did you meditate once or twice and you didn't feel super serene and it didn't fix all your problems? Often expectations and holding on to those too tightly can prevent us from actually being with our practice and actually being present. So you can orient yourself or have an intention or even a goal, but when it becomes an expectation, it often gets in the way of our practice. So we can notice when we have these, when these are present, and let them go. Find a buddy. I never know how to phrase this, but meditate with someone. Maybe it's a friend or a family member. Maybe you can find a local meditation studio or meditation community or an online meditation community. But practicing with other people has tons of benefits. It encourages us to practice. It gives us some social interaction with our practice. We can learn from others. Others can learn from us. And then finally, use guidance. So many people I talk to new to meditation have some judgments about guided meditations. They just want to sit in silence. And absolutely, I understand that. But utilize the guidance. That's what it's there for. Whether it's reaching out to a teacher like myself or another teacher, or it's listening to guided meditations or talks, listen to guidance. Get to know the practices. Don't be confused for no reason. I'll include below a list of some of my favorite mindfulness and meditation podcasts, as well as a description of each one. If you're looking for some resources, some free resources in this regard. So those are my tips for building a consistent practice. The only kind of overarching thing I would put on that is make it a priority. If you're interested in making this a part of your life, make consistency and daily practice your priority. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.